In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the cards macro in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page where you want to add cards. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Place your cursor where you'd like the cards to appear. Type Cards and select the Cards macro from the list of available options. Once the macro is inserted, choose the type of card layout you want to use. Depending on your setup, you may be able to create cards manually or generate them dynamically from existing content. If you're creating cards manually, add a title, description, image, icon, or link for each card. You can use cards to highlight important pages, resources, projects, documentation, or external websites. Configure the layout by selecting the number of columns you want displayed across the page. You can also customize the appearance of the cards by adjusting settings such as images, icons, colors, spacing, and alignment. As you make changes, review the preview to ensure the cards are displayed the way you want. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content, save the macro and return to the page editor. Then click Publish to save your changes. Your cards will now appear as interactive visual elements that help users navigate content more easily and make your Confluence page more engaging. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the cards macro in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.